Okay, let's see if I remember how to do this. Hey everybody, welcome to Comics with Bueller. As always, I'm Bueller. Today's your preview video for all new comics coming to comic shops and online on November 13th, 2024. We got over 200 books to show you guys today. Everything from Boom, Image, Marvel, Dynamite, you name it, we got it. If you're new to our channel, do me a favor, subscribe right now. It does help us out quite a bit. Hey, look at that, I got it. Hey guys, we're gonna jump right into the books, but really quick, I wanna say thank you so much for all your support. I've been away for a little while, taking care of some family business, but I am back, and you'll be counting on the weekly preview video going forward every week, just like you have in the past. But do me a favor, stick around to the end of the video, and I'll fill you guys in on some more stuff as well. Okay, let's not waste any more time. Let's take a look at the books, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, we're back at it. Johnny Quest number 4, cover A and cover B. Johnny Quest. It's been a while since I've been doing this part. Cover C, we'll see how many names I can mispronounce. That's kind of a thing. Cover D for Johnny Quest. This is all Dynamite books, of course. Space Ghost number 7, cover A, great looking cover. Cover B, I read the first issue of this, really liked it. Cover C, haven't read any one since. Cover D, now we have Terminator number 2, cover A. Read the first issue of this one as well, enjoyed it. Cover B, and don't forget the backup story by Sal. Cover C for that one. Here is the D cover. We got a couple more. This one looks a little more old school. Cover E. Yep. And last one is the F cover. Now let's go ahead and move on to Marvel. The Amazing Spider-Man number 61, the main cover, the 8 Deaths of Spider-Man. The Cooter variant, these are the Thing variants. There's a bunch of these this week. The Melnikov variant, did I get that right? I don't care. Disney variant. The Scotty Young variant. The 1 in 25 incentive cover. The 1 in 100 Disney incentive black and white cover. The Silva variant. Then we have the Zhang variant A, pretty cool looking, and variant B, the Virgin one. That's probably on the thumbnail. Captain America, number 15, main cover, Spider-Man and Thor. The Howl variant. The Yoon variant. The Woods Thing variant, another one of those. Conquest 2099, number 3, cover A and cover B and cover C, I believe. Moving on to Deadpool number 8, the main cover. Here is the Smith Thing variant. The Chew variant. Deadpool looks different. The Lupacino variant. I haven't paid attention to it, so maybe something's going on. 1 in 100 incentive Virgin cover. NYX number 5, cover A and cover B, and cover C is the same cover, but the Virgin one, a 1 in 50 incentive. Psylocke number 1, the main cover. This is the big book from Marvel this week. The Hickam variant. A lot of covers for this one. The Logo variant, spare no expense. The Yagawa variant. The Art Germ variant, I got that one right. The Nguyen variant. The 1 in 25 incentive cover. The 1 in 50 incentive cover. The 1 in 100 Art Germ incentive cover. The Spectacular Spider-Man number 9, cover A and cover B. Get both the Spider-Man in this one. Cover C, Craven Goodness. I like that. Star Wars Ewoks number 2, cover A, baby Chewbacca's is what I used to think they were. Cover B, they probably are. Cover C, the figure variant. Ultimate X-Men number 9, the main cover. The Momoko design variant. The Gonzalez variant. The 1 in 25 incentive cover. Uncanny X-Men number 5, the main cover. Some kitty cats on there, I like that. The Garon Thing variant. The Wolverine variant, I like that cover quite a bit. That's pretty cool. The 2 variant, Tau variant, I don't know, 2 variant. The 1 in 25 incentive cover. followed by the 1 in 50 incentive Wolverine cover. The Kirkham variant, I believe you can get that on his website. Venom number 39, the main cover. Venom War, still going on, it looks like. Gomez variant. The Chew variant. What's going on with his tongue, man? Is that normal? Let's get that looked at. Mason Thing variant. Venom War, Deadpool number 3, the main cover, cover A and cover B for that one. Venom War, Wolverine number 3, cover A and cover B for that one as well. I believe these are coming to an end. Werewolf by Night number 4, cover A. Looks like they're going to make out. Cover B. And cover C, the design variant. Okay. Moving on to Image Comics Black Cloak number 10. The Domain number 5, cover A and cover B. Now this is the big book of the week right here. There is a ton of covers for this one. G.I. Joe, just G.I. Joe, number 1, cover A by Joshua Williamson. Cover B, we'll let this roll a little bit because there's a bunch of covers for this. And this is part of the Energon universe, if I'm not mistaken. You have G.I. Joe, the Real American Hero. That's a standalone. Now we have G.I. Joe just itself. Kind of ties in all the other Transformers and Void Rivals and all that stuff, the Dukes and the Cobra Commanders. So there you go. It looks like a lot of people are going to be jumping on this. Looks like there's some new characters. I don't know who that is or who that is. But this looks pretty good. I know a lot of people are going to pick this up. There's the His Tank. Used to have a couple of those. Here is cover K. A lot of covers, like I said. This is probably the biggest book of the week. Cover M. Black and white sketch cover. The Kirkham variant, that's pretty cool. That's probably on the thumbnail as well. Lady Machina, I don't know, whatever. Number 3, cover A and cover B. Whatever that says. Precious Metal, number 6, cover A. Cover B. Sorry, I had to scratch my face. Heard this book is pretty good. Radiant Black Ultimate Edition, number 30. Just one cover for that one. Rifters, number 6. Also one cover. Salmon Twitch Case Files, number 8, cover A and cover B. Don't forget, this is a $2.99 cover price. Most of the Spawn Universe titles are that price. Transformers, number 14, cover A and cover B. A bunch of covers for this one. Cool looking covers. Cover C. And cover D. Ooh, some old school 80s looking goodness right there. Cover E. More of that. Nice. Violator Origins number 3, cover A and cover B. This one is not $2.99. I think these books are a little bit thicker, so they're either $3 or $4.99. Here is the C cover. I believe that's the only one that's more than $2.99 for the Spawn stuff. Witchblade number 5, cover A and cover B. And that is it for Image Comics. We're moving on to, I believe, Boom Studios, Armory Wars. Nobody really knows. Number 7, cover A and cover B. Look at that person. Whatever. Garfield Fat Cat, number 4, cover A and cover B. Every cat should be fat. That's just the way it should be. I Heart Skull Crushers, number 7, cover A and cover B for that one. Don't really understand that book. Minor Arcana, I don't know. Number 3, cover A and cover B for that one. Power Rangers Prime, number 1, cover A and cover B, brought to you by Logan Paul. Win the Power of the Blood, number 1, cover A and cover B. I believe that's it for Boom Studios. We got IDW next. Godzilla Sons of Giants, number 5, cover A and cover B. Godzilla goodness right there. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Nation, number 2, cover A and cover B. There you go. Arcbound, number 1, cover A and cover B. This is Dark Horse Comics. They're spitting out a bunch of titles lately, aren't they? Black Hammer's back. Spiral City, number 1, cover A and cover B. Jeff Lemire goodness. A lot of people like the Black Hammer universe. Helena Windhorn, number 6, cover A and cover B. Looks like David Mack. Turtles of Grayskull, number 2, cover A and cover B. This is He-Man and Turtles teaming up, doing their thing. They both have the power. Star Wars, some long-ass title. I hate these. Number 2, another Star Wars long-ass title. Number 3. Summer Shadows, number 3. Okay, that's it for Dark Horse. On the DC, Absolute Batman #2, cover A and cover B. A ton of Batman books this week. We're going to say it because you know what? They're the ones bringing the coffee to the show. Comics on Coffee, go to their website. Use the code Bueller. Save 15% on all your coffee needs, including the Batman coffee, the Superman coffee, the Wonder Woman coffee, the Green Lantern coffee. DC stuff, they also got regular coffee like the Ghost Machine coffee and Lord of the Rings stuff. It's pretty good. Go check them out. It's good coffee. I had some today. They've been a sponsor of the show for many years. Love those guys. Local business. So there you go. Action Comics number 1075, cover A and cover B. By the way, the link for Comics on Coffee is down in the description of the video, so you can just click on that. Go check them out. Use that code Bueller. You save 15%. And that code's for you guys. I do not get a kickback for that. That's just for my audience, you guys are watching right now, to save a little bit of money. Cover F. Cover G. There's a lot of covers for this one. Cover H. Batman 89 Echoes #5, cover A and cover B. This one might have got pushed back, but I still have it on the list. If it comes out, great. If not, it'll probably be out the week after. Batman and Robin #15, cover A and cover B. Like I said, tons of Batman books this week. Cover C. Cover D. I don't know who that is. Cover E. That's the action figure one, I think. Those are cool. Cover F. Batman Dark Age #6, the A cover and the B cover. Interesting. Cover C. Don't quite understand that one. Batman Gotham by Gaslight Kryptonian Age #6, the A cover and the B cover. Look at him sneaking around the corner. I don't trust that guy. Cover C. Batman Uncovered #1, cover A. Cover B. You see me down there in the corner pointing to the books so you know what to look at? Oh, whatever. Cover D. Here is the E cover. Cover F. Black Lightning #1, cover A and cover B. I remember that TV show. I enjoyed the first season, but the ones after that I didn't really get into. But the first season was pretty good. What was that, on the CW, I think it was? Cover C. Wasn't bad. Cover D. I don't know how many seasons they went. I think 3 or 4. DC versus Vampire World War V #4, cover A and cover B. Cover C. Green Lantern #17, cover A and cover B. We got a couple minutes left here, folks. Cover C. Cover D. He's got a little smirk on his face. Something going on. Multiverse Collision Detected #5, cover A and cover B. If you want to scramble in DC people and Scooby-Doo and all those guys, Bugs Bunny, this is the book for you. Heat Seekers #1, cover A and cover B. What is this? Combustion? Come on. Huge Detective #3, cover A and cover B. He's huge, man. Look how big he is. Freaking huge. The Girl Called Cthulhu #2, cover A and cover B. Kind of gives me a Scully vibe right there, right? The Big Burn #2, cover A by Distillery. I hate these books. Cover B. Not that the books are bad. I just don't like the prestige, bigger format. It's a pet peeve of mine. Life 3, cover A and cover B. They just don't fit in the boxes. Time Waits #2, cover A and cover B. So I haven't checked out any of them because they're too big. But they might be pretty good reads, so I don't know. Something Crawled Out #3, cover A and cover B. Man, stick a cork in that thing because stuff keeps leaking out every month. There you go. #1, cover A and cover B. Look, Calavera PI. There, I don't know. Aloe Vera PI. Epitaphs from the Abyss #5, cover A and cover B. Epitaphs? I don't know. Dumb. The Stitches #1, cover A and cover B. This one looks pretty good. I don't know what it is, but maybe it's good. Dark Empty Void #2. Just one cover for that one. Gotcha Man. June Apex Heart #1, cover A and cover B. This is Mad Cave Studios, by the way. The Mammoth, number 5, and last book of the week, String, number 1, cover A, and cover B. This is called the G String. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you saw something you like. Like I said, over 200 books. The G.I. Joe number 1 is finally coming out. Looking forward to that one. I probably won't buy it, but you know what? I just say that. Anyway, seriously, thank you so much, everyone who sent me their well wishes. And as you guys might have known, the reason why I've been away is because my older brother Robin passed away unexpectedly, and kind of really put a huge hole in the family. And so we've been dealing with that for the last month or so. And but things are starting to get somewhat back to normal. But you know, as you guys know, because I'm not alone in this, we've all experienced loss. It can be pretty heavy, and especially with the health of some of my other family members, it's been really rough. But I am back at it, and like I said, thank you so much to everybody who kind of took their time and had some patience with me. I do appreciate it. I am back at it now. We're doing the claim sale on Thursday this week. I think when you see this video, I've already done a live stream with my buddy John about comic book burnout. And yeah, I got some other videos planned as well. I'm back here at my family lake. Obviously the weather has changed and the rains are here. It's colder out and I fucking hate it, but you know what? It is what it is. And you know, I can't wait to get back to the desert. This place is very beautiful, don't get me wrong. But the rain, all that crap here in Oregon gets to you really quickly when you're out in the sun and shine and enjoying the weather in other places. So I will be heading towards the desert, Arizona, probably next month, and I'll be there for a little while. But for now, I'm here at the lake, hanging out with some friends and family and stuff like that. But anyway, guys, that's all I got for you. Check out our sponsors of the show. You guys know who they are. Blackbox Comics, Comics on Coffee, Dynamite, my Patreons. Thank you so much for sticking in there. And you know, it's nice to be back. I missed you guys. I really did. All right, everyone, that's all I got for you. Don't forget to live your best life. You know what to do. I'll see you next time. Bye.